Hello people, welcome to Game by 2006. Today we are doing an unboxing of i12s. They are very less costly. In India, they have all these color options, so let's open and see. So yes, I have opened this wrap from it. So now let's open this box. Okay, so I opened it. So this is the i12s. I will open this and show you. It's easy to open, but you can feel the cheap plastic. This hinge, but at this rate, it's okay. Mm, These are the earphones. Mm, and they're of good quality. And in Amazon, they come. The sound is good of good quality. It's made of about normal quality only. So yeah, you can buy this in Amazon for 500 rupees, I guess. So go check it out, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy it.